Oh shit. Hello YouTube. We're at Walmart today. As you can see in the title, we're at Walmart because we're teaching y'all how to catch gar. Let's go. Alright, we're in Walmart now. So what you want to buy is this kind of rope. 100% nylon. If you buy, where's that? The that's not the right stuff. That will not snag on the gar's teeth. That's what we're trying to get here. So 100% nylon, 100% you don't want this. So you can buy any color. We're gonna buy white and then this purple. That would probably be good. Any color really, just make sure it's nylon. Okay, so after you get the nylon rope, you wanna get either plain shank, size 1 hooks. You can get a spinner, we'll show that, and or jig heads, 1/16 ounces. We're gonna show how to make all these, so you can pick which one you wanna make, and see you back at home. So the third thing you wanna get is jelly-filled donuts. Right here, glazed raspberry-filled donuts. You're gonna have to get these.
This is a required thing to get.
If you don't get these, then you won't catch the fish. Okay, back in the car from Walmart. Get a little recap. You want rope, 100% nylon, any color. We got purple and white. For the hooks, you can get a jig head. We'll show you how to make ones with jig heads. You want, if you just want a hook in it, you can get plain shank, size 1. And then we'll show you how to put it on a spinner even for more action. These are just $1 spinners you can get at Walmart. Last thing, Krispy Kreme donuts. If you don't get these, you're not gonna catch a fish, I'm sorry. We'll be right back. We're gonna drive to our seeker spot. We'll catch you later.
All right, so here we're ready to start rigging up our rods with what we're gonna be catching gar with, which is rope. So we got all of our stuff here. You're also gonna need a lighter and a pocket knife, preferably a long lighter. I just didn't have a long lighter. So I'm gonna be doing the purple one with a jig head. All right, so you usually just wanna use 4 to 6 inches of rope. So I'm probably gonna cut it off right here. That's what the pocket knife's for, but I kinda just use scissors to do it. So this end is the one you wanna fray. You wanna take it, the pieces, oh look at them colors. You wanna take all these pieces out, and we'll be back whenever I'm done doing this, because it'll take a while. All right, so what you wanna do now is you wanna stick the hook through the end of here. Make sure it's in there good, like that. As you can see, it's kind of like that. And then I'm gonna put the other one in real quick. This is what I'm gonna tie my line to right here, a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna put it across. All right, there you have it, just like that. Yep. What you're gonna wanna do is take the lighter. Let's get it in here so that the wind. Take the lighter and melt the rope around the hook so it stays on, because if you don't do this, it might just slide off when the fish grabs it. All right, next step is, after you melted it down to keep the hooks in, do not touch that because it'll be really hot, and you wanna just put some water on it just to cool it off so everything just molds into place. Put a little bit more. Put some on the hook too so it's not hot. All right, that should be good, ready to tie on now.
Make sure you give it a nice tug before you use it. Just make sure the hooks are in there. But if you melt it, there's a good chance they're in there because that plastic turns really hard. Okay, so now we showed you how to do it with the jig and the hook. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it with the spinnerbait. So this rope's a little different than that kind. That kind's got the tissue and the different colors inside. This kind is just it's 3, it goes into 3, and then these go into 2, and then it frays like that. Before you put this on, you wanna get about 2 inches, about how long your hook is, and you wanna melt that part so it doesn't fray past there. Cool tip, if you lick your fingers and then touch it, it's not as hot. Oh damn, that looks good.
If I'm gonna be honest here, guys, I prefer this kind of rope over that kind.
Yeah, this one's kind of difficult.
But It's just preference and what kind you want to use. Like if you want to use a spinnerbait on the end.
Yeah. So now we're going to attach. This is kind of the tricky part. You're gonna make sure all the whole skirt is out of here, because if you burn that, that's a problem. You get the idea. As long as it's on there and then you start melting, you're fine. It's not about how pretty it is. These are gar we're catching. They're not fucking pretty fish. Oh yeah.
Alright, let's put some water on it if you think it's ready.
Water. There you go. Yeah, after trying this, I'd probably say definitely go for that kind of rope if they have it. But if this is all you got, you know.
You can also get white rope that's not like this, but this is.
Yeah, it's on. I mean, it's
not coming off.
It's not coming off, but if you're going for looks, if you're going for something that looks pretty, I probably wouldn't go for this, but gets the job done.
All right, let's go catch us some gar, boy.
Let's go. All right, we're out here at our secret spot. We got the shit tied on. We had to add a weight to Ben's because it was a little bit too light, and I didn't realize since I didn't have to put one on for the spinner, but we got that good. So what you're gonna want to do, we'll give a little fishing tip.
We're gonna be sight fishing.
Yeah, we're mainly sight fishing because out here where we're at, a lot of gar come up. But if you're just say at a river or somewhere where you can't really see gar, but you know they're in there, try casting, try twitching a little bit.
Especially with the spinnerbait.
Yes, with the spinnerbait. Make sure it's sunny out, obviously, to use the spinner one, but just cast out, twitch a little bit, and yeah, it'll set off the gar. All right, I'm gonna set the camera up facing us, and we'll be back once we catch one. Okay, got a good ass view on the camera. My line just broke, so I had to remake another one. So I just made one with the hook, with the white. Just frayed it some. Should be perfect right there. Day 2, we're back out here. Back out in the backwaters. After cast and more cast, we were left hot and sticky and bothered, and we're ready to head back. So, like any normal human, we did head back. We had given up for the day, but Ben had spotted out a spot he saw. Fine with me. The rest is history. Oh my god, dude! Holy shit! No! Let's go! Let's go! Put it down. 2 days! Let's go!
So basically, finally got one on the rope. I don't know if we got a good pic of it or a view of it,
Man,
but
these things are fucking mean.
It was tangled up in his teeth right on the end.
That is an alligator gar.
You see his mouth?
But as you can see from his teeth, hopefully he doesn't bite me right here. His teeth are about, I don't know how long that is, but they are long and sharp and scary. And
look at, show him what we caught him on. Got it. Oh my.
Yeah.
Look at those teeth.
That's what gets caught up.
All right.
So Ben told me before I caught this to let it eat it. You really have to let it eat it or it will not get caught up in its teeth. Because I had to wait like good 4 seconds, but yeah. Alligator gar video took 2 days, but we got it. These fuckers are mean. Let's go.
Just so we can prove there's no hook involved.
Nope, no hook involved.
That right there.
All it is was this, and it was actually, this piece right here is hooked on. This much was hooked in his teeth, and it was holding that gar up. It works, boys.
Oh, I got one. I got a big one. Holy what the heck?
That wasn't supposed to happen.
Dude.
Okay.
It came off.
Oh, it came off. Holy moly.
My thing up bad.
Okay, so we're done. Finally, 2 days, gar video out of the way.
95 degrees outside.
95 degrees, as you can tell.
I'm in sweatpants.
Yeah, sweatpants. I think I got a little burnt. It's the time that y'all have been waiting for. We're gonna pick the lucky shout out today from the comments. If you don't know what we're doing, if you comment on the video, you'll have a chance to win a shout out. So all you gotta do is comment something. Comment if you like the video, comment video ideas, comment, I don't know, we have big heads, I don't know, just comment something, you have a chance.
We're also doing a giveaway at 150 subs, probably a bait giveaway, either a couple like crankbaits from Guggen or soft plastics. It's gonna be a little bit, it's not gonna be a ton of stuff, but it's gonna be probably like 20 bucks worth of stuff.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned for that.
Yep. Share the video, share the channel, like, comment, subscribe, get us to 150. All right, we're picking the winner in 3, 2, 1. Asher Josel.
I need that shout out. The comment will be right there in the top corner. I don't know if that's left or right because it's gonna be backwards. But yeah, Asher Josel.
Asher Josel, you wanted the shout out, you got it.
Everyone comment on this video for the next shout out. Share the video, subscribe. This took forever.
It took a long time
to record. So yeah.
Thank you for watching. Like I said, like, subscribe, follow, whatever. Follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram. The links are in the bio. Go to our YouTube channel, share the fuck out of it. Send this to everybody. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Our next video is gonna be pretty good, just like this one. I'm not gonna say what it is, but you'll see later.